In addition to the commonly used analyze and fix options, there are a number of other checks and operations that can be performed within the maintenance menu. This video will offer a brief introduction to those options. Let's take a look. Let's start with expire and reduce, which allows you to delete mail items based on age and size. Click the link in the description for a video that covers cleanup options specifically and in much greater detail. Mailbox Statistics collects and displays how many messages and appointments there are, averages per user, etc. You can check the expire statistics to count only messages that exceed the limits specified here. Note, nothing will actually be deleted when doing a statistics check. It just returns item counts based on these values. Reset Client Options allows you to push interface options down to the users. Clicking on the Client Options button here shows you the various things you can modify and what the current default settings are. When you reset the client options, you replace whatever the user has configured with the options listed here. The last option on the list, Recreate User Database. Use this with extreme caution and as a last resort. There's almost always a better way to fix problems with a user. This process renames the user database and creates a blank one. Then it searches the message store for any and all messages, appointments, tasks, and notes addressed to or from the user and creates links to those items in the root of the cabinet folder. All of the user's previous sorting is lost, and they end up with a big pile of mail that they will have to sort again. It does recover all the messages for the user, but it comes at a price. I recommend you go through this option on a test account before you subject one of your users to it. Thanks for watching. We hope this brief overview is helpful. Additional details are available in the documentation. Thank you.